Hello there. I'm Dr. Samuel Boyd. If you're a man over 60 and you've noticed that your once reliable morning wood has become less frequent or has completely disappeared, then this message is for you. Now, I know this topic might make some people chuckle or feel awkward, but let's be honest, it matters. Not because your masculinity depends on it, but because your morning erection, believe it or not, is a powerful indicator of your overall health, especially your vascular and hormonal health. And if it's gone missing, your body might be trying to tell you something. So today, we're going to break down why morning wood fades with age, what it actually signals about your health, and, most importantly, how you can naturally bring it back without relying on expensive pills, risky procedures, or quick fixes that don't get to the root of the issue. Let's start with the basics. Morning wood, medically called nocturnal penile tumescence, is a natural part of male physiology. It's your body's way of keeping the tissue in your penis oxygenated and healthy. During REM sleep, blood flow increases and testosterone levels peak. If your circulatory system is working well and your hormone levels are balanced, erections during sleep just happen, usually 3 to 5 times a night. But here's the truth. As you age, this pattern can slow down or even stop altogether. Why? Several reasons. First, your testosterone levels begin to drop, usually starting in your 40s, but the decline becomes much more noticeable in your 60s and beyond. Testosterone is a key player in sexual function, sleep quality, mood, and muscle mass. Lower testosterone is equal to fewer nighttime and morning erections. Second, there's the blood flow issue. Erections rely on healthy arteries. Over time, as cholesterol builds up, or if you're dealing with conditions like high blood pressure, diabetes, or obesity, your blood vessels may narrow or stiffen. That affects circulation, and poor circulation to your penis means weaker, less frequent erections. Third, let's not forget sleep. Many men over 60 suffer from poor sleep quality, whether it's due to stress, insomnia, or conditions like sleep apnea. If you're not getting enough REM sleep, your body isn't going through the natural nighttime cycles that trigger these erections. Now, the good news. You can fix this. And no, it doesn't have to involve prescriptions or artificial boosters. There are natural, effective, and science-backed ways to support your testosterone levels, boost circulation, and improve your sleep. Let's talk about them. First, support your testosterone production naturally. This doesn't mean jumping straight into testosterone replacement therapy. It means giving your body the tools it needs to optimize production. Zinc is one of the most important minerals for this. You'll find it in pumpkin seeds, oysters, and beef. Magnesium is another. Spinach, almonds, and dark chocolate are great sources. Vitamin D is crucial too. Get out in the sun when you can, or consider a supplement if your levels are low. Exercise also plays a big role, particularly strength training and short bursts of high-intensity movement. These stimulate natural testosterone production and help improve blood flow. You don't need to become a bodybuilder. Even resistance bands or body weight squats a few times a week can make a major difference. Second, restore your circulation. Your penis is like a dashboard light for your cardiovascular system. If something's off, it shows up there first. So start treating your heart well. Eat more foods rich in nitrates like beets, arugula, and pomegranate. These help widen blood vessels and improve flow. Cut back on processed sugars and fried foods that inflame your arteries. And don't underestimate the power of walking. A 30-minute daily walk can improve endothelial function, the thin lining of your blood vessels, which directly affects blood flow to your penis. Pair this with proper hydration, and you're giving your body a chance to reverse years of sluggish circulation. Third, prioritize deep sleep. If you're not dreaming, you're not reaching REM. And if you're not reaching REM, morning wood will disappear. Start by creating a regular sleep schedule. Go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends. Avoid screens at night, and keep your bedroom dark and cool. Magnesium glycinate or a cup of chamomile tea before bed can help relax your nervous system and support deeper rest. If you suspect sleep apnea, don't ignore it. It affects oxygen flow at night and drastically reduces REM sleep. Get tested and consider a CPAP machine if needed. Many men report a return of morning erections after just a few weeks of quality sleep with proper breathing. Now let's talk about stress, because chronic stress kills testosterone. When you're stressed, your body produces cortisol, a hormone that directly blocks testosterone. Learning how to manage stress, whether through breathing exercises, mindfulness, light yoga, or simply spending time in nature, can significantly boost your hormonal health. Laugh more, connect with friends, limit the noise of constant news. It all adds up. One more thing, don't be ashamed to talk about it. Losing morning wood doesn't mean you've lost your manhood, but it is your body's way of whispering that something could use attention. And the sooner you listen, the better the outcome. Some men I've worked with start seeing results within weeks. More energy, stronger morning erections, better mood, and even more confidence in the bedroom. It's not magic. It's just biology working the way it was designed to, once the right conditions are in place. You deserve to feel vital, connected, and alive at any age. Morning wood isn't just about sex. It's a sign of a well-functioning, well-nourished, and well-rested body. And if you've been missing it, don't accept it as just part of getting older. You can change the story. So, if this message resonated with you, if you're ready to reclaim what aging tried to take away, then here's what you can do. Start with small changes. Eat one meal a day that supports your heart and hormones. Take a walk after dinner. Get to bed 30 minutes earlier. And most importantly, don't give up. And if you found this helpful, I invite you to subscribe to this channel. We're building a community of men who believe that 60 is just the beginning, not the end. We talk about real solutions, not hype. Natural methods, not gimmicks. Because your health is worth it. And so are you. This is Dr. Samuel Boyd. Thank you for listening, and I'll see you in the next video.